Hello once again. I hope you all are safe and healthy. I am Somali from Team Get You At. Today I am going to show you how to make a Twitter account for business and its importance. First, let me cover some unknown and interesting facts about Twitter. Twitter has character limitation. So this is a great platform to show your creativity with words. Twitter has over 300 million active users. So it can be a great platform for small businesses to reach and get connected with a new audience. There is a segment in Twitter called Trending. There you can see what is trending in social media. Last and most important fact about Twitter is that it has perfectly structured advertising platform that can generate necessary leads for your business. So, let's get started. Like every other social media accounts, Twitter will also ask you to log in or sign up. I am choosing sign up as it will help viewers understand it from the beginning. In the name form, use your company name. Next, here are two options, phone number or email address. I would suggest you to go with the mail address. Then Twitter will ask you if you want to see advertisement or not and if they can access your web history to personalize your experience. After adding mail address, Twitter will send you a verification code in your mail. Put that code in this area. Set up a password for your Twitter account. There is a certain pattern to create a strong password. You can search that and create one accordingly. Add a profile picture for your account. You can use your logo. Then a dialog box will appear saying describe yourself. Write some stuff that can describe your business and build connection with your audience. Twitter will suggest you find friends here. Let's skip this for now. Set up your language preferences. Twitter then will ask your interests in the segments like sports, music, and entertainment and so on. Skip this for now as well. Like every other social media platforms, Twitter will also suggest you some people and pages to follow. Let's skip this too. Next, Twitter will ask you to turn on notification. This is completely up to you, if you want it or not. Your Twitter account is ready now. On left, there is an option called More. If you click this, you see some segments like Settings, Twitter Ads, Analysis and so on. Twitter Ads and Analysis are two of the most important tools in Twitter. You are not able to run any ads currently. Twitter will do some verification and then your account will be able to run ads. Contact us if you need more help setting up your account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Stay safe everyone. And keep learning.